concaves. I've left these lenses up here because it's probably going to be the easiest way to do this project. What I want you to do is use a lens. These are lenses in here, by the way. They do the same thing. They take a distorted image from my eye and fix it so that it looks like it's supposed to be the way it is. It's kind of like a reading glass is like this kind of a lens, a convex, to make it bigger so you can read it, right? Remember, we made a great big image of the snowman, but you see that image out here. It's real. It's on the same side as you. So I want you to do two things. You can use a flat mirror. You can use, if you have a convex or a concave mirror, some of you do. Ladies use a concave mirror to put on makeup because it enlarges your face, lets you get details. I guess guys could do that too. But the bottom line is my wife has a mirror, you can flip it, and it's concave on one side, convex on the other. Your mirror in your car is a mirror that says objects may be closer than they appear. That's because it's a convex mirror. It's trying to give you a bigger field of vision, but it's going to make the objects that you see smaller in the mirror. And so you think they're farther away. They're not. They're closer. And it says the warning right on the sign. So, another good one would be if you were looking in a rear view mirror at an ambulance, it says ambulance. But if you actually look at the ambulance, it's written backwards. So that's pretty cool. So what I want you to do is find a mirror or a lens, and you can use a magnifying glass. This kind of lens, the concave one, the one that goes to the inside, that made the guy a little small, it's going to be a little harder to find. But I want you to find a lens or a mirror. Show me the image that you see in that lens or mirror, and tell me whether it's real or whether it's virtual. And you'll be able to tell me why it is what it is. So this could be a really easy video or project, because you're going to be able to go stand in front of a mirror that you dress in front of and say, hey, this is me in the mirror and I'm waving my right hand, and to you guys it might be the left hand. Well, it will be in the mirror, and you will be behind the mirror, using the mirrors in your car. There's little bubble mirrors if you have a truck that allow you to see a bigger field of vision so you can get around whatever you're towing. Lots of different mirrors out there, you guys. But you can also get online and YouTube mirrors and lenses and see if you can do some experiments. You could make a rainbow with a prism and explain how the light passes through, and when it bends, each color bends a little bit different because it's a little different frequency. And if you remember the velocity of a wave, it's wavelength times frequency. So when I speed up in here, the wavelength is going to change, the speed is going to change, frequency stays the same. When you pop back out the other side, the wavelength's going to go right back to the way it was, but so the speed's going to speed back up, but they don't all behave the same way because they're different frequencies. So you get a rainbow out there. So lots of different ideas. You can get on YouTube. You can just use a mirror. What I want you to be able to do is tell me real or virtual, and what's the difference between the two. Now, I already gave you those answers. Virtual image is going to be behind the barrier, the lens or the mirror, and it's going to be on the other side of your eye. So whatever side your eye is looking through this, if the image is on this side, is away from you, it's virtual. It'll be upright. It'll always be smaller. It could be bigger, I guess. It's going to be smaller or the same size, I guess. And then real image means that it's on the same side as your eye, as you view it. And it's going to be able to be made bigger. Remember, concave mirrors make real images. Convex lenses make real images. And so go out, have fun, find one of those things. You could burn ants with a magnifying glass. Sorry, I probably shouldn't kill wildlife, but you can start a fire with this. You can also start a fire with that big mirror, which I would have done for you had we been in class, with the big concave mirror. So any questions, you're going to be able to Zoom Mrs. Coolidge and I, and you're also going to be able to email us if you have any questions. Have fun with this one. It's a nice, easy one, really quick. You can get this one done in about 5 minutes.